Ayurveda says sneezing is one of a natural urge that shouldn't be held back. So here are the 5 reasons why. First is the germ warfare. So when you hold back your sneeze, actually it holds your pathogen inside and causes more infection. Second is pressure explosion. When you hold back your sneeze, actually creating a pressure like a mini volcano inside building up, and which will causes headaches, earaches, etc. So even a case was reported when holding back sneeze actually caused a laryngeal fracture. So even Charaka, the Ayurveda physician, Guru, actually said that the symptoms when you hold back your sneeze are Shiro, Akshi, Nasa, Rogas, means ear, eye and head related issues. Third is Symptom Marathon. When we are not ejecting the irritants or allergens, we are giving them actually VIP lounge access in our nose. Fourth is the stress city. When you hold back your sneeze, actually it will build up more of stress and anxiety in your body and mind. And the last one is the kicker one. So because that is the sneeze holding will actually in some cases produces the brain aneurysms as well as eardrum rupture. So even Ayurveda Acharya mentioned like Ardhita, which is correlated mostly towards the paralysis. So hemorrhagic paralysis we can say, or hemorrhagic stroke, and even karna related issues, that is ear. Next time when you feel the sneeze, just embrace it, cover your mouth as well as nose and unleash the sneeze in a healthy way, and so that your eardrums and whole your body will thank you.